Hi everyone, today I'm going to walk you through one of our available features called the customer portal. To get to our features, we're going to go to settings, features, and then you're going to click customer portal. If you do not have the customer portal enabled, we do have steps on how to do that within our help center, which you can get to by clicking here. So what is the customer portal? The customer portal provides a way for your customers to log in somewhere and view their information, like their address, their invoices, subscriptions, payment methods. And then it also allows them to do things like pay their invoices, get their customer statements, and even cancel their subscriptions. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is how you guys can get your customers the customer portal link. You're going to go to your email personalization tab, and then you're going to basically select an email template you'd like to copy and paste this into. The invoice due template is the most popular one that's used for this purpose. So I just copied and pasted it right at the bottom. You can paste it wherever you want, add whatever text you want. You can link it into things. It's your choice. Save your changes, and then that will be automatically sent out when that email is sent out. Going back to the customer portal, I'm going to show you guys how customers log in. So I will make sure to paste this into our URL. And you're going to see a page like this. You can definitely make it prettier with custom CSS, entirely up to you. The customer is going to click the I'm new, let me in, and they're going to be prompted to enter their email address. So the only gotcha here is that the email address that the customer enters has to be underneath one of their contacts in ChargeOver. So say you have a customer that uses a different email than what you have on file in ChargeOver, that's not going to send them a link to get set up with the customer portal. So just make sure you're aware of that. I'll kind of show you what that looks like too. So if we go to one of my customers, I'll click this one, go to their contact. I can see that there's an email address on file. This is the email address that would have to be used to log into the customer portal. If you have multiple contacts, just make sure that the customer is using one of the emails that is underneath one of the contacts. One of the things I'll mention is the username and password up here. This is mostly used if you need to set a temporary password for a customer. You can set a username that they can use, but most times customers will just log in with their email address. I'm going to show you guys what the customer portal looks like here. Use my login information, and then I am in. Okay, so this is the main page. It's going to show the current balance and then allow the customer to download a statement here. Then I have a bunch of tabs that they can click into. It's going to show all the customers' subscriptions, their invoices, any payments they've made, their payment methods, and then basically a way to pay all of these invoices at once. So if I wanted to pay all of these, I could click this. I'm going to pay with a credit card, and then it would prompt them through the pay process. I'm going to go back to the payment methods just to show you guys that if you want to make any payments, the customer can opt into themselves into auto pay if they'd like. They can also update the card or add new payment methods as well. They have a My Info tab, and then they have a My Password tab as well. So that's what the customer portal for me looks like. You have lots of options on what the customers see in the customer portal, and that's all dependent on your customer portal settings. So if you go back to ChargeOver, you're going to have a bunch of options here of what you can toggle on or off. So it's kind of up to you. If you want to allow customers to delete their payment methods, if you want to allow them to cancel their subscriptions, opt out of auto pay. And then the last thing I'll mention is this is where you can enter your custom CSS. So that way you can kind of change the color, the style, the look, the entire look basically of your customer portal and make it however you want. Okay, so So today we walked through what the customer portal is, how to change its settings, how to log into it, and lastly, how to send the customer portal automatically out to your customers. If you guys have any further questions, reach out to support@chargeover.com and we'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.